Hello and welcome back dear students to my class. আজি মই তোমালোকক ASS first year biology bookৰ human physiology part 2 digestion and absorption নামৰ চেপ্টাৰটোৰ পৰা তোমালোকৰ সকলো ধৰণৰ biology related entrance examৰ উপযোগী হোৱাকৈ কেইটামান MCQs type question দিবলৈ লৈছো। এই চেপ্টাৰটোৰ পাৰ্ট 1 ভিডিঅ'টো লিংক মই তোমালোকক ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত দি দিম আৰু এইটো হৈছে পাৰ্ট নম্বৰ 2। সো আজিৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে লাইসোজাইম that is present in perspiration, saliva and tears destroys. Option A, most virus infected cells. Option B, certain fungi. Option C, certain types of bacteria. Option D, all viruses. Perspiration is the process of sweating. Your answer to hoise option number C, certain types of bacteria. Question number 2. Which one of the following is the correct match of the site of action on the given substrate, the enzyme acting upon it, and the end product? Here option number A2 is stomach. Fats in presence of lipase, micellis. Option B, duodenum. Triglycerides in presence of trypsin, monoglycerides. Small intestine. Starch in presence of amylase, maltose. Number D, small intestine. Proteins in presence of pepsin, amino acid. ইয়াত তোমালোকৰ stomach, duodenum, small intestine and small intestine এইকেইটা হৈছে তোমালোকৰ site of action. Fats, triglycerides, starch and proteins এইকেইটা হৈছে substrate. তাৰপৰা lipase, trypsin, amylase, pepsin এইকেইটা হৈছে enzyme. আৰু micellis, monoglycerides, maltose and amino acid এইকেইটা হৈছে end product. ইয়াৰ পৰা তোমালোকে কাৰেক্ট অপচনটো বাছি উলিয়াব লাগে আৰু কাৰেক্ট অপচনত কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপচন নম্বৰ C, small intestine. Starch in presence of amylase goes to maltose. Question number 3. When breastfeeding is replaced by less nutritive food low in proteins and calories, the infants below the age of 1 year are likely to suffer from Option A, rickets. Option B, pellagra. Option C, kwashiorkor. And option D, marasmus. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপচনটো হ'ব অপচন নম্বৰ D, marasmus. Question number 4. What will happen if the secretion of parietal cells of gastric glands is blocked with an inhibitor? Option A, gastric juice will be deficient in chymosin. Option B, gastric juice will be deficient in pepsinogen. Option C, enterokinase will not be released from the duodenal mucosa and so trypsinogen is not converted to trypsin. And option D, in the absence of acial secretion, inactive pepsinogen is not converted into the active enzyme pepsin. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct option to হ'ব option number D, in the absence of acial secretion, inactive pepsinogen is not converted into the active enzyme pepsin. Question number 5. If for some reason the parietal cells of the gut epithelium become partially non-functional, what will happen? Option number A, the pH of stomach will fall abruptly. Option B, proteins will not be adequately hydrolyzed by pepsin into proteases and peptones. Option C, the pancreatic enzymes and especially the trypsin and lipase will not work efficiently. And option D, trypsin will be more effective. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct option to হ'ব option number B, proteins will not be adequately hydrolyzed by pepsin into proteases and peptones. Question number 6. Which one of the following pairs of food components in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? Option A, fat and cellulose. Option B, starch and cellulose. Option C, protein and starch. And option D, starch and fat. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct option to হ'ব option number A, fat and cellulose. Question number 7. If for some reason our goblet cells are non-functional, this will adversely affect option A, smooth movement of food down the intestine. Option B, secretion of sebum from the sebaceous glands. Option C, maturation of sperms. And option D, production of somatostatin. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct option to হ'ব option number A, smooth movement of food down the intestine. Question number 8. A young infant may be feeding entirely on mother's milk, which is white in color, but the stools which the infant passes out is quite yellowish. The yellow color is due to option A, pancreatic juice poured into duodenum. Option B, intestinal juice. Option C, bile pigments pass through bile juice. And option D, undigested milk protein, casein. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct option to হ'ব option number C, bile pigments pass through bile juice. Question number 9. Carrier ions like sodium ion facilitate the absorption of substances like option A, fructose and some amino acids. Option B, amino acids and glucose. Option C, glucose and fatty acids. And option D, fatty acids and glycerol. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct option to হ'ব option number A, fructose and some amino acids. Question number 10. Kupffer cells present in option A, liver. Option B, small intestine. Option C, pancreas. And option D, thyroid gland. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct option to হ'ব option number A, liver. Question number 11. Which one of the following statement is true regarding digestion and absorption of food in humans? Option A, about 60% of starch is hydrolyzed by salivary amylase in our mouth. Option B, oxyntic cells in our stomach secrete the proenzyme pepsinogen. Option C. Fructose and amino acids are absorbed through intestinal mucosa with the help of carrier ions like sodium ion. And option D. Chylomicrons are small lipoprotein particles that are transported from intestine into blood capillaries. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হৈছে অপশ্যন নাম্বাৰ C. Fructose and amino acids are absorbed through intestinal mucosa with the help of carrier ions like sodium ion. Question number 12. Which of the following statement is not correct? Statement A. Brunner's glands are present in the submucosa of stomach and secrete pepsinogen. Statement B. Goblet cells are present in the mucosa of intestine and secrete mucus. Statement C. Oxyntic cells are present in the mucosa of stomach and secrete HCl. And statement D. Acini are present in the pancreas and secrete carboxypeptidase. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট ষ্টেটমেণ্টটো হ'ব ষ্টেটমেণ্ট A. Brunner's glands are present in the submucosa of stomach and secrete pepsinogen. Question number 13. Anxiety and eating spicy food together in an otherwise normal human may lead to option A. Diarrhea, option B. Vomiting, option C. Indigestion, and option D. Jaundice. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ C. Indigestion. Question number 14. Space in the jawbone unoccupied by teeth is called option A. Dentine, option B. Diastema, option C. Enamel, and option D. Crown. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ B. Diastema. Question number 15. One of the constituents of the pancreatic juice while poured into the duodenum in human is option A. Maltase, option B. Enterokinase, option C. Trypsinogen, and option D. Chymotrypsin. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ C. Trypsinogen. Question number 16. Fructose is absorbed into the blood through mucosa cells of intestine by the process called option A. Active transport, option B. Facilitated transport, option C. Simple diffusion, and option D. Co-transport mechanism. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ B. Facilitated transport. Question number 17. Jaundice is a disorder of option A. Excretory system, option B. Skin and eyes, option C. Digestive system, and option D. Circulatory system. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ C. Digestive system. Question number 18. Which of the following correctly represents the normal adult human dental formula? Option A. 2123 by 2123, option B. 3131 by 3121, option C. 3133 by 3133, and option D. 2133/2123 আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ এ 2123/2123 Question number 19 Which one of the following enzyme carries on the initial step in the digestion of milk in humans? Option A renin, option B trypsin, option C lipase and option D pepsin. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ A renin. Question number 20. The enzyme that is not present in Saccharus entericus is option A nuclease, option B nucleosidase, option C lipase and option D maltase. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ A nuclease. Question number 21. Gastric juice of infants contains option A amylase renin pepsinogen, option B pepsinogen lipase renin, option C nuclease pepsinogen lipase and option D maltase pepsinogen renin. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হৈছে অপশ্যন নম্বৰ B pepsinogen lipase renin. Question number 22. The primary dentition in humans differs from permanent dentition in not having one of the following types of teeth. Option A premolars, option B molars, option C incisors and option D canine. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ A premolars. Question number 23. During prolonged fasting, option A first fats are used up followed by carbohydrates from liver and muscles and proteins in the end. Option B first carbohydrates are used up followed by fat and proteins towards end. Option C first lipids followed by proteins and carbohydrates towards end. And option D none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ B first carbohydrates are used up followed by fat and proteins towards end. Question number 24. Part of alimentary canal meant for reabsorption of the maximum H2O, that is water. Option A large intestine, option B small intestine, option C colon, option D rectum. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ B small intestine. Question number 25. The word digestion means option A burning of food, option B oxidation of food, option C hydrolysis of food and option D breakdown of food. আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ C hydrolysis of food. Question number 26. Which enzyme shows greatest substrate specificity? Option A trypsin, option B sucrase, option C pepsin and option D nucleus. Aru iyar correct option to hobo option number B sucrase. Question number 27. Chylomicrons are concerned with option A digestion of fats, option B absorption of fats, option C digestion of proteins, and option D absorption of proteins. Aru iyar correct option to hobo option number B absorption of fats. Question number 28. Pairs patches produce option A amylase, option B enterokinase, option C lymphocytes, option D trypsin. Aru iyar correct option to hobo option number C lymphocytes. Question number 29. Succus entericus is option A intestinal juice, option B any swelling in gut, option C vermiform appendix, option D swollen area between ileum and rectum. Aru iyar correct option to hobo option number A intestinal juice. Question number 30. Bile pigments help in option A digestion of fats, option B absorption of fats, option C both absorption and digestion of fats, and option D excretion. Aru iyar correct option to hobo option number D excretion. Question number 31. Crisps of liver cone are present in option A stomach, option B intestine, option C esophagus, option D all of these. Aru iyar correct option to hobo option number B intestine. Question number 32. In human, the digestion of food is completed in the option A mouth, option B stomach, option C large intestine, and option D small intestine. Aru iyar correct option to hobo option number D small intestine. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টিত ইমানখিনিলৈকে আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ। নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'টোত তোমালোকক মই চেপ্টাৰ 17ৰ MCQs দিম। আজিলৈ ইমানতে সামৰিছোঁ। থেংক ইউ।